Welcome, dear children. Class 7, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 4, Angles and Pairs of Angles, Part 3. Now, this is the third part of your chapter. So, today we will see what is supplementary angle. So, let's see what is supplementary angles. Now, supplementary angle means when the sum of two angles is 180 degree, that angles are known as your supplementary angles. Now here angle PQR is given 100 degree and angle ABC is given 80 degree. So if you will add angle PQR with angle ABC, you will get 180 degree. Means if you will add 100 with 80, what you will get? You will get that is 180 degree. It means that both the angles are the pair of supplementary angles. Clear? Now let's see your practice set 17. Question number 1. Write the measure of the supplements of the angles given below. Now here we have to find out the measure of the supplements of an angle. So see how you will going to find out. Now here the measure of one supplementary angle is given, that is 15 degree. You have to find out the measure of the other supplementary angle. So let's see how you will going to find out that. Now here let the measure of the supplementary angle be A. Now here we don't know the measure of the another supplements angle. So how you will going to find out? We will assume that as A. Clear? So what will be your next step? In the next step we will write down that is 15 plus A is equal to 180 degree. Now from where we have taken 15? It is given in your question. A we had assumed and 180, as we have studied that the measure of supplementary angle is of 180 degree. Clear? So that we have written. Now in the next step what you will do? This 15 we will take on the right hand side. So addition will become subtraction. So in the next step you will write down A is equal to 180 degree minus 15 degree. Clear? So when you will subtract this 15 from 180, what you will get? You will get 165 degree. Clear? So what is the measure of the supplements of 15 degree? That is 165 degree. Clear? So hence the measure of the supplement of an angle of measure 15 degree is 165 degree. Clear? How you will going to find out this? Now let's see your question number 2. The measures of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angle. Now here the measure of some angles are given. See what you have to do? You have to take this measure and you have to make the pair of complementary and supplementary angles. So let's see how you will make the pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. Now here I have taken the first pair, that is angle B and angle N. So let's see which pair angle B and angle N will make. Now here measure of angle B is 60 degree and measure of angle N is 30 degree. So if you will add this 60 with 30, what you will get? You will get that is 90 degree. So which pair angle B and angle N will make? It will make the pair of complementary angles. Clear? Why they make the pairs of complementary angle? Because the sum of two angle is 90 degree. That is why they make the pairs of complementary angles. Now next pair we will take, that is angle Y and angle E. So what we have to do? We have to add the measure of the two angle, that is 90 plus 0. So what you will get? If you will add 90 with 0, you will get that is 90. Clear? So again angle Y and angle E make which pair? It will make the pair of complementary angles. Clear? Now we will take the next pair, that is angle D and angle F. Now measure of angle D is given 75, measure of angle F is given 15. So what you will do? You will add 75 with 15. So what you will get? you will get 90 degree. Again, it is a pair of your complementary angles. Clear? Now next pair we will take, that is angle B and angle G. Measure of angle B is given 60 and measure of angle G is given 120. So what you have to do, you have to add the measure of two angles. So if you will add 60 with 120, what you will get? You will get 180. So angle B and angle G make which pair? Angle B and angle G make the pair of supplementary angles. Why? Because the sum of two angle is 180 degree. Clear? Now next pair we will take, that is angle N and angle J. Angle N is given 30 degree and angle J is given 150 degree. So what you have to do, you have to add 30 with 150. So what you will get? 180 degree. So which pair they make? They make the pair of supplementary angles. Clear? Now let's see question number 3. In triangle XYZ, measure of angle Y is 90 degree. What kind of a pair do angle X and angle Z make? Now first of all, we will see what is given in your question. In your question, measure of angle Y is given, that is 90 degree. What you have to find out? You have to find out that what kind of a pair do angle X and angle Z will make. Clear? So let's see how you will going to find out. Now in the very first step, what you will write down? You will write down that the sum of the measure of an angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Now first tell me that in your triangle how many angles are there? 3 angles are there. If you will add the measure of all the 3 angles, what you will get? You will get the sum of 3 angles, that is 180 degree. Clear? So that we have to write down here. The sum of the measure of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Clear everyone? Now what you have to do in the next step? You have to add all the 3 angles, but the measure of all the 3 angles are given? No. Clear? So you will write down angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Now here the measure of X is not given, so we will write down as it is. Measure of angle Y is given, that is 90 degree. So we have to write down that 90 degree. And measure of angle Z is not given, again that we will write down as it is. So see what will be your next step. Angle X plus 90 plus angle Z is equal to 180. Clear? Now how you will do the calculation? This 90 you have to take on the right hand side. Means you have to take that 90 with 180. So addition will become subtraction. So what you have to do? You have to subtract 90 from 180. So what you will get? You will get that is 90. So angle X and angle Z make the pair of which angle? That is angle X and angle Z make the pair of complementary angles. Clear? Now here they have asked what kind of pair do X and Z make. Clear? So here X and Z make the pair of complementary angle. Why? Because here the sum of two angle is 90 degree. Clear? So X and Z are the complementary angles. Clear? Thank you everyone for watching this video.